purpose ng ating physical fitness ng ating mga estudyante is to test the level of their fitness para matest namin kung nasa anong stage na ba sila sa kanilang lakas.
Okay, sa performance ng mga bata natin, nakikita natin yung improvement. So, nakikita natin yung mga napag-aralan nila in theory is na-i-apply nila in practical. Ibibigay namin lahat ng aming mga makakaya upang matutunan nila yung pagputok ng accurate na magamit nila balang araw.
Coordinate, titibay natin sa nantel, ha? Yes.
Experience na nakuha namin dito yung pagiging simbolo ng pagiging tunay na sundalo. Pagkakayos na namin na gawa namin yung kung ano yung mga tinuro ng NPI namin. I'm just waiting for the moment. Never see me come.
There are moments in life that leave a mark, not on the skin, but on the soul. For the brave men and women of Argentum Plus 2025 Alpha, basic military training was one of those moments. They arrive as strangers, young, untested, each carrying their own fears, hopes, and questions. But the gates of training do not ask who you were, they ask who you're willing to become. From the first reveille to the final salute, life changed. Civilians became trainees. Comfort was replaced by discipline. Routine became a ritual. The days were long, the nights short, and the demands relentless. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every drop of sweat, every blistered foot, but we shouted command was a lesson. Not just in tactics, but in perseverance, humility, and strength. The ground was unforgiving, the drills unending, muscles screamed, lungs burned, but the will to push forward never broke. They learned that strength isn't found in standing alone, but in marching together. They were forged in the fires of fatigue, pressure, and doubt. But like in the elements they are named after, Argentum, silver, they came out sharpened, resilient, and ready to shine. Not perfect, but proud. not fearless, but brave. Not individuals anymore, but a brotherhood and sisterhood. Meet the basic military training, Argentum Class 2025 Alpha. Gilas at katangiang espesyal na lipon para sa tungkulin na umagapay sa mamamayang Pilipino. And as they now stand at the edge of graduation, heads held high and hearts full, they carry more than rank. They carry memories, pride, sacrifice, and the bond that only those who've stood in formation, soaked in sweat and silence, will ever understand. Argentum Class 2025 Alpha is more than a class. It is a testament to the will to endure, to the courage to transform, and to the spirit of those who choose the harder path, so that others may live free. They entered as recruits, they leave as warriors, and their story has only just begun.
Argentum Class of 2025 Alpha. Good morning. Today, we gather not just to mark the end of your training, but to celebrate the beginning of a lifelong transformation. From the day you step onto the grounds of the Philippine Air Force Basic Military School, fresh from civilian life, unsure of what lay ahead, Argentum, congratulations! The nation salutes you. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
First of all, congratulations. Parang kailan lang. So ngayon, gagraduate na agad kayo. Ang sa akin lang, kung ano yung mga natutunan niya dito sa loob ng BMS, pag-abayuhin niyo pa. Nagdagan pa ang kaalaman para sa ating organization. So hanggang sa muling pagkikita, hanggang sa muli, good night. Amen.
Actually, itong FTX na to, ito yung practicals nila sa mga tinuro ng instructors regarding sa military operations. So, dito namin i-assess or i-rate kung paano nila na-appreciate mga tactical movements, pag-maneuvers, tsaka pag-command ng mga squadron commanders sa akin, hopefully madala nila to sa pagka-graduate nila dito and ma-apply nila dun sa mga activities na gagawin ng unit nila in the future.
As for the experience, it's challenging, difficult, kailangan pagtiisan. So ganyan tayo sundalo kailangan natin lahat pagtiisan para sa benefits ng ating bayan. For the final briefing ng FTX, na conduct namin ang proper conduct ng maneuvering, ng military tactics, ng lahat ng tinuro na conduct namin as a team na nagkakaisa at may pagtutulungan. As squadron commander, ang pinakatatak sa nangyari is during conduct raid. So in Real McCoy, bilang isang leader, kailangan natin mag-execute ng tamang execution kasi nakatatak na yung buhay ng kasamahan natin.
Make sure na satisfy nyo to without injury.
Yes, sir!
So, mayroon pang pagdabalik. So, any problems?
No, sir!
Nga Yes, sir. So, marami kayong pagkain, no?
Supply ni Kim.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Good.
join nyo
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, you take, sa mga body nyo. Ha?
Yes, sir.
Hindi pa tapos, mayroon bang mga activities na nakaalala na para sa inyo? Ha?
Yes, sir.
Ngayong gabi may ISR, may nagre-rep lang para sa inyo dahil nga hindi naman pwede lahat yun.
Yes, sir.
Yung una namin ginawa dito sa unang araw, naglakad kami ng palusong, tapos pagdating namin sa harboring site, may kailangan kaming daanan na ilog para makarating sa harboring site. Pagkarating namin ng harboring site, doon na kami gumawa ng aming pagtutuluyan sa 3 araw. Sa mga sumunod na araw, Doon na ginawa nila pagsalakay sa amin. At doon din namin ginawa yung mga natutunan namin. At in-apply lang namin kung ano yung tinuro. Naging matagumpay naman, kahit walang tulog, nagawa namin ng buong loob ang aming tungkulin. Sa lahat ng nangyari na yun, ang pinakatumatak sa akin ay yung bumisita ang aming commandant, tapos nalakay kami ng biglaan. Kumbaga yun ang huling senaryo. Kailangan namin iingatan ng aming commandant pag siya ay dumalaw sa aming harboring. Doon binigla kami ng pagsalakay ng mga MTI. Ginawa naman namin yung tungkulin namin. Dumipensa kami ng maganda. Maganda naman yung pag-deploy ng aming perimeter defense. Tagumpay naman at kinumenda naman kami na mas malakay sa amin.
Tonight is a celebration of transformation. This is not just a tradition, it is a turning point.
Nagmula kami sa iba't ibang rehiyon. Narito kami ngayon upang buuin ang isang mini-meeting mission.
To the BMT Argentum Class of 2025 Alpha, I congratulate you for hurdling your basic military training. I hope and pray that you are better equipped, better airmen in serving the Filipino people and our nation. ring that you will wear after tonight is more than just a metal and design. It is a symbol of commitment, a badge of resilience, and a mark of your readiness to serve our nation under the proud banner of the Philippine Air Force.
You entered the basic military school as a hopeful individuals. Tonight, you emerge as a part of something greater, as defenders of the skies, guardians of peace, and airmen and airwomen of the Philippine Air Force. I'm untouchable. Yeah, I'm untouchable.
Sa bawat simula, may wakas na darating tulad ng araw na muling hihimlay sa pagsapit ng dilim. Isang araw ay natapos na ang yugto, ngunit hindi ang kwento. Pagkat ang bawat hakbang ay tulay sa bago. Salamat sa ngiti, sa luha at tagumpay sa samahang hindi kayang limutin ng buhay.
Today, we gather not only to celebrate a significant milestone in the journey of these airmen and women, ngunit upang kilalanin din ang kanilang dedikasyon, sakripisyo at tibay ng loob ng kanilang ipinamalas sa kabuuan ng kanilang pagsasanay.
We are very proud sa kung ano kayo ngayon. And hopefully, madala nyo ito pag-graduate nyo. And i-share nyo to sa iba nyong makakasamang airmen sa Philippine Air Force.
A toast to the colors of the Republic of the Philippines. Cheers!
To the members of BMT Argentum Class 2025 Alpha. Mabuhay!
Cheers to the members of Basic Military Training Class Argentum 2025 Alpha. Cheers!
Keep the fire burning as a class. And once again, congratulations sa inyong lahat, BMT Argentum 2025 Alpha.
Let this night serve as a reminder of your strength and support system that stands behind you, from your instructors and comrades to your families who never stop believing in you.